Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the CHARADE-110 ankle boots in black vegan leather with a black lace overlay by Demonia. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at www.gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. You can also buy these shoes direct from Demonia Cult if you are in a different location, but we offer free shipping for Australia and New Zealand customers. Alright, now let's get these unwrapped and out of the box so we can take a close look. Demonia boots usually come with this branded Demonia wrapping paper and these clear plastic bags at the moment. Alright, I'm going to unwrap this one and move all of this out the way in just a moment, and then we're going to get a better look. So this style is mostly black vegan leather with the black lace overlay. And this style has got these hanging chains, so you can remove them. They have the little clips on them, so they're easy to be removed. This design is a platform with the block heel, the 2 inches at the platform and 4.5 inches at the heel. So we've got the black satin ribbon lace up at the front there. And there's also a black satin ribbon at the back as well. There's the vegan leather ankle strap that has the black lace, ruffled black lace behind it. The ankle strap's not removable though, but that's where the chains are hanging from. And then we have the inside zipper as well on this boot. So now I'm going to get the other shoe unwrapped so we can take a look at that one, and then we're going to get some shots of them both together as well. So let me just unwrap these. Let me know in the comments what you think of this style. And currently this style is also available in a black and red velvet combo that's got a black fishnet overlay, and it still has the satin ribbons and the chains and the ruffled lace. I'll be dropping all the details in the description box below for this video if you're interested in having a look at the other style variation. This model comes in a woman's USA size 6 to 12, which also converts to European 36 to 42. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you're liking this video, and subscribe to our channel if you want us to make more of these unboxing videos. So let's see how they look together now from a few angles. Drop a comment below to let us know what you think, and tell us what shoe model you want to see unboxed next time, and we'll see what we can do to make it happen. I do have an older video of the red and black velvet combo for this style, so I'll try to link it, or I will pop the link in the description box below so you can watch that one as well. I'm really not sure which one I prefer, but I think you can never go wrong with all black anyway. Well, that's all we have time for today. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favorite styles. Thanks for watching.